Hi guys, I'm Divyanshi Bajaj, originally a resident of Vrindavan, but today I travelled all the way to Barsana for the first time to witness Laddu Holi.
A unique celebration in itself. And my travel partner is my most loyal friend, the TVS Scooty Pep Plus. So without any further delay, let's go.
I am at the Radharani temple in Barsana where Laddu Holi is celebrated. This temple is dedicated to goddess Radha and Barsana is believed to be her birthplace.
So in a while, the real fun begins and I definitely want to be a part of it. So let me go and grab some colors that I've kept in my scooty.
So whether it is the right quality or the underseat storage, the Scooty Pep Plus just ticks all the boxes. A blessing indeed. Celebrated with laddus, this Holi is indeed unique and one of its kind in the country. Thousands of people gather to play Laddu Holi every year, an experience I will never forget.
So another unique Holi that is celebrated in the Radharani temple is the Lathmar Holi.
Which is celebrated in the twin towns of Barsana and Nandgaon, also known as the towns of Radha and Krishna respectively. Just like how Radha playfully drove Krishna out of Barsana when he came to play Holi, a similar depiction is enacted by the men from Nandgaon and women from Barsana. What a tradition! Fascinating, isn't it? I'm so grateful to my scooty today that I could travel Barsana without any hassle and take you through the best Holi celebration ever. Wishing you all a very happy and safe Holi.